Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's MOMOMAKEUP here. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you guys none other than the Beautybay Mmmmitchell collab. I picked up his palette. I created this eye look with it, so I'm going to do some swatches, give you guys a quick review, and then show you the tutorial on how I created this look. So if you're interested to see me review the brand new Mmmmitchell Beautybay palette, then please keep on watching. Let's get into it. So when I take the palette out of the box, here is the unit carton that it comes in. It is a holographic. It almost has like a film covering to it. It reminds me of like a hardback book. When you open it up, it looks like this. So beautiful, bright, vibrant colors with a few neutrals mixed in there. Here is a mirror as well that comes on the inside of the palette. You can remove it. And I think that that's super cute. It's a double-sided mirror. I like that for travel. I think that's a cute idea. Right now, this palette is out of stock on beautybay.com, but I know that they have an email list. You can sign up to be notified when it launches a second time. It does retail for $36 and you get 32 shades. It is a mix of matte and shimmer eyeshadows. This palette is just... it speaks to me. It's vegan and cruelty free, and you can find it on beautybay.com. I haven't done swatches in a video in a while, but I am going to swatch this palette for you guys. It is absolutely stunning, and then we will get into the eye look that I created. This is the shade Mega. It's a bright blue shimmer. This is Motto. It's a rich purple matte. The next shade I'm going to swatch is called Miles High. It is a soft matte lilac color. Next, this one is called Morgan. It's a bright purple matte. This one is Miracle. It is a marine green matte. This one is Mist, a true blue matte. This one is Moody Mitch. It's a deep navy matte, and this one is called Marine. It's a white base shimmer with blue reflex. Sorry, I kind of got those in between. This one is called Minty. It is a white base shimmer with green reflex. This one's called Meh. It is a warm tone brown matte. This one is Shmoney. It's a bright green matte, and this one is a deep khaki matte. It's called Marty. This one's Master. It's a bronze shimmer. This one is Mafia. It is a deep black matte. This one is Monday. It is a chocolate brown matte. And this one is called Maine. It is a terracotta matte. On to the other side of the palette. This one's called Mini. A rich dark red matte. This one is called Morning Glory. It's a bright pink matte. This one's called Milkshake. It's a bubblegum pink matte. And this one's called Morning Glory. It is a bright pink shimmer. So far this is what we have. I'm going to have to switch probably to my palm because you can see I am out of room on my arm. This one's called Muse. It is a warm burgundy brown matte. This one's called Mad with 3 M's. It's a bright red matte. This one's called Mr. H. It's a soft peachy pink matte. And this one's called Meaty. It's a warm shimmer. Next we have Mental. Red, orange, bright matte. Then we have Man-Made. It's a warm brown matte. And we have Mixer. It's a rich yellow matte. And then we have Muffin, which is a white base shimmer with pink reflex. Then we have Manchester. It is a sunshine yellow matte. Macaroni, a warm mustard matte. This one here is Modest. It's a soft peach matte. And then this one is a true gold shimmer. It's called Melted. Alright, so now that we have completed the swatch portion of this video, I do want to show you how I created this look. I'm just going to do my blending therapy that's inspired by my friend Maggie Hardy. And I'm just going to do it silent. I'm going to have music on and you guys will see me create this look. I will make sure to include the shadows that I'm using so you guys have a reference in case you pick this up. All right, let's get into the look. Alright, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial and review. This is the final look that I created. I hope that you guys like it. I really tried to go for it and do the signature Mitchell high cut crease with the liner and the really soft edges. I really hope that you guys like this look. This palette truly was a pleasure to work with. Everything blended out so nice and smooth. I will give you guys a heads up, there was a lot of fallout. When you are creating looks with this palette, I definitely recommend that you apply setting powder underneath your eye and create a little layer of protection for yourself. That way at the end, if there's anything under your eye, you can just brush it right off. Congratulations to Mitchell and Beautybay for the launch of this palette. It really is awesome. So glad that I picked this up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, share this video with your friends, and also down in the description box below you will see a link to a giveaway that I'm hosting, so check that video out as well. The rules are very simple. You guys can go ahead and click that link and enter to win a palette. I won't tell you which one, just go ahead and check that out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.